Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together as I welcome Kaizad, Product Marketing Lead for Optiplex brand at Dell, and he's going to share the Dell and User Computing Solutions portfolio and the key products.
Good evening, everyone. I like this hat, I'll wear it. It gives me about 10 years of lower age over here. So I'd like to thank Dhaval. He's covered a lot which I would have spent some time on. He's given you a market context. He's spoken about what's happening, what's trending, the fact that BYOD is in, the fact that there is more of social trends which are, there are more social trends which are trending right now. And what I would like to bring to the table is the fact that we are everywhere. We have solutions, we have products, we have software, we have everything, services to cover the entire breadth. So when you speak to your customers, it starts off with products, no doubt. You start off talking about products and selling a product or solution. But then you can take it a step further with Dell. I mean, there's a lot more that you can do beyond that. There's a lot more where you can earn after that. So let me get into the products that we have, and it doesn't boil down to only products, right? It boils down to what is the value that you bring to each of your customers? What does the customer see in what is being offered to him? So while we do have the standard products of the desktop, the notebook, and the workstations, there's a lot more which is available from our side, which gives you the the talking points, the solutions which are offered along with the products itself. So there are a few key points which Dhaval had spoken about, which a customer is always looking at. He's always looking at security. Today there are so many threats out there. There's so much, there are losses of laptops, there's data losses. It doesn't boil down to just a product being lost, it boils down to a data breach. It boils down to the information being lost. So how are we addressing that? What are we doing to ensure that the customer doesn't pay a high price for every time a product is lost from his end? Manageability. Everyone talks about manageability. Everyone says, yeah, I have manageability solutions. But how do you bring manageability to a customer and automate it so that he doesn't waste his time in managing his entire suite of products? And finally, reliability. Everyone wants reliable products. Everyone wants the best solution, wants a situation where he can drop a product and nothing will go wrong. He can spill liquid on a product and nothing will go wrong. So we address all these things. It's not just a product, it is an entire solution that we offer to a customer. It's an entire experience that we offer to our customers. So I'll jump right into the products that we have right now with Ingram, and what you can see, what value you can see, what value you can sell to your customers when you talk about these products. So first is the Optiplex, which is the desktop range, which we have offered. Now, everyone has a standard stuff, which is your, Core i3 or Core i5 processor, memory, hard disk, etc., etc., etc. I'm not going to get into that. What we offer in terms of security is we have TPM. Does anyone here know what TPM is? Anyone? Yeah, please. Yes, Trusted Platform Module. What does it do? Excellent. So what is that to a customer? What is that to an end customer? That is security. It's encryption. Exactly. So even if somebody plugs out, nobody's going to steal an entire desktop, right? But they might plug out a hard disk. They might plug out data. So the data is secure as far as the end customer is concerned. We are the only ones who are offering that in our entry-level products today. There's nobody else in the market who's offering that today. So that is what you can bring to the table. As far as manageability is concerned, toolless cabinets that gives you manageability at the customer end so that it is easy for a customer to replace or take care of any changes that he wants to make. So when I'm talking about a toolless cabinet, it doesn't end at the cabinet being toolless, but you can remove the hard drive without a problem, without having screwdrivers and things like that. We have chassis intrusion switches which are built in for security purpose. We have locks, padlocks, etc., which you can physically lock the cabinet so that nobody steals anything. But basically, we are giving you a product which takes care of everything that a customer would be looking at when it comes to security or manageability perspective. And reliability, I don't need to talk about. We have like the lowest product failure rates. Today we have accolades from third-party vendors who talk about the fact that we have some of the most reliable products in the market today. So for you, it is more of a pull from the customer. There's absolutely no push involved from your side as far as Dell products are concerned. So this is just a quick view of the specifications. It's all 4th generation products. Like I mentioned, TPM, which is highlighted over here. Like I mentioned, the fact that we give a toolless cabinet by default in the product, which gives you more manageability. Now moving on to the Latitude part, which is the notebook product that is offered. So as you can see back there, we have 3 products which are on display for the Latitude. In entry level, we have a 13-inch, we have a 14-inch, as well as a 15-inch. So we are the only ones who actually have a 14-inch product today, which is at a 25 mm thickness, at less than 2 kgs, and it's giving you a 4th generation experience, the additional 7 to 10% improvement in performance. So once again, and currently, of course, if need be, we can give you these products with a touch option as well, which is again a first in class with absolute entry-level products with touch options available. So all these are additional features you can talk about, additional selling points to your customer, which you can speak about and try and get it to your side and improve on the margins that you can have because of better products at similar prices. So like I mentioned over here, we have the entire range once again. Again, on the specification side, a few highlights over here is the fact that we offer a 25 mm sub 2 kg product, and that to a 14-inch product, which gives you the best-in-class performance, gives you manageability, gives you very good reliability once again in terms of the design, the type of testing and torture testing that these products go through. So all that is available to you from our entry range of products, which we offer through our distributor today. Finally, moving on to workstations. This is your margin driver. I mean, like you're looking at places where you can really make a good amount of margin. These are products that we have over here. We have workstations. Currently, we are starting off with the typical tower workstations. If you guys see a good amount of demand, a good amount of need in the market, we can obviously look at having mobile workstations as well, which we can cater to. We have some of the slimmest, sleekest, beautiful-looking workstations available in the mobile class today. And you can feel free to get back to us at any point of time for any more details that you want. Here are some of the speak that we have as far as media and customers are concerned on the products. Today, the workstation, the T1700 that we have a software which allows you to optimize the performance as soon as you just put in the ISV that you're going to be using. So you mentioned that you're going to be using a particular ISV. It will optimize the performance so that you get the best performance for that ISV. You look at the typical target market for this product will be your engineering. The ISVs that are well certified and are best for this product is Autodesk. Today, that covers most of your market perspective. As far as scalability of this product is concerned, it has capability for an i3, i5, i7, as well as an E3 Xeon class processor. And the type of cost-performance ratio that you get with an E3 product, E3 processor over here, you can actually get a similar cost as a higher-end commercial desktop. So that is a value you can sell to an aspiring customer who's looking at an entry-class workstation. Finally, moving on to the cream and butter of what we offer. We offer the entire ecosystem along with our products. Today, that is one thing which we pride ourselves on, be it the typical printers that we can offer, be it an ecosystem in terms of docks, add-ons in terms of maybe memory or hard disk, or maybe a serial parallel port. Today in Delhi, a lot of the your target market would be government, right? There are a lot of government customers who are still looking at your typical serial parallel type of ports, looking at legacy ports and things like that. So we offer all those as add-ons. We can offer graphics cards as add-ons in case needed. So all these products are available from us post point of sale in case you want to upsell and get something better out of the customer and give a solution to a customer. So that's it from my side. Thank you all very much. I'm available here in case you guys have any more queries and anything more to speak about over here. And please give me all the feedback that you have in terms of products. We are completely open to understand exactly what you're looking at, how you would, what type of market your demand is there, and things like that. And we're willing to work with you to give you the solutions that you're looking at. Thank you all very much.